Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the airlines that operate the Airbus A380 in 2023. Number 1. Air France. Ordered 10 A380, received all 10, and currently operating 6. Number 2. All Nippon Airways. Ordered 3 A380, received all 3, and currently operating all 3. Number 3. Asian Airlines. Ordered 6 A380, received all 6, and currently operating all 6. Number 4. British Airways. Ordered 12 A380, received all 12, and currently operating all 12. Number 5. China Southern Airlines. Ordered 5 A380, received all 5, currently operating 3. Number 6. Emirates Airlines. Ordered 123 A380, received all 123, and currently operating 120. Number 7. Etihad Airways. Ordered 10 A380, received all 10, and currently operating all 10. Number 8. Korean Air. Ordered 10 A380, received all 10, and currently operating all 10. Number 9. Lufthansa. Ordered 14 A380, received all 14, and currently operating all 14. Number 10. Malaysia Airlines. Ordered 6 A380. Received all 6, and currently operating all 6. Number 11. Qantas Airways. Ordered 12 A380, received all 12, and currently operating all 12. Number 12. Qatar Airways. Ordered 10 A380, received all 10, and currently operating all 10. Number 13. Singapore Airline. Ordered 24 A380, received all 24, and currently operating 27. Number 14. Thai Airways. Ordered 6 A380, received all 6, and currently operating 2.